Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. In today's video, we are going to see how to create simple parabolic concentric circles with the help of string art and how to achieve a beautiful sun themed design with the help of this method. So guys, let's get started. So to start with, I have a huge board of 20 inch diameter with a thickness of 1 centimeter, and on that board I have already placed 180 nails uh, separated by 2 degree apart, almost at equal distance from each other, and these are the nails that I'll be utilizing to create my string art. Now it's not necessary that you have to place 180 nails. This particular design is such that it can be worked with any amount of nails, but I would suggest not to go below 100 nails if you are working on such a big board. But if you are working on a small board, then you can do it with even lesser number of nails, as long as the circle is properly formed and it's not looking like a polygon. And for this string art, I'm going to utilize all these colors, varying shades of yellow, orange, and then towards the red. So the center of the sun is going to be that pale golden yellow thread, and I will keep on increasing the darkness of the shade from orange to red as we go outside. So we'll start with the pale golden yellow thread, and then we will move towards the other shades. Now creating any kind of parabolic curve in string art is one of the easiest designs that you can make. And if you look at all the designs that are present on YouTube and all the other places on the internet, you will find that all the string art designs are composed of parabolic curves. Now if the arrangement of your nails is in circle, then that parabolic curve is going to take the shape of a circle, as you saw at the beginning, different circles at the center. So the way we build parabolic circles on a circular arrangement of nails is that you choose 2 points on your nail assembly. Obviously it cannot be opposite ends of the diameter, otherwise there will be no circle at the center. So the farther your points are from each other, the smaller the circular hole in the center will be, and the closer the points are towards each other, the larger the circle will be. So since the yellow is the bottommost layer of this design with the smallest circle at the center, and I have two diametrically opposite nails, one is number 1 and the other is 90. So what I'm going to do is that I will start either with 1 or 180 numbered nail, and I will create a gap of 10. So rather than starting with the 90, I will start with the nail 80. So on one end my starting point is nail number 1, and on the other end my starting point is nail number 90. Nail number 80. If I choose 90, then there will be no circle in the center because all the lines will cross exactly at the center. Now on one side I will move downwards towards the nail, and on the other side I am going to move upwards. So as you can see that on the right hand side I am moving one nail down, and on the left hand side I am moving one nail up, and that's the exact sequence that you need to keep following. You don't need to do any kind of change till your entire circle is formed. So slowly and slowly, as you keep on following this procedure, you will see that a curve starts to form at the center. Now for this particular design, if you have noticed at the start, the thread that I have used has a certain shine to it. That's because this is not a polyester thread, but instead I am using nylon thread. Because this is not a portrait, so I don't really need to utilize weight 80 thread. I can also work with weight 40 thread. And so these threads are nylon threads of weight 40. That means that they are almost double the thickness of the thread that I normally utilize in making string portraits. And the reason I am utilizing nylon thread instead of polyester thread here is because I want density into my designs. I need the thread to be a little bit thicker and also very strong. Nylon threads are very strong as compared to polyester threads. And as you see at the center, you can see that a parabolic curve has started to form, and it will take the shape of the circle because the arrangement of the nails on which we are making the design is also a circle. Has this been a square arrangement of nails or a hexagon arrangement of nails, then at the center you would have seen a parabolic square, a parabolic hexagon, or whatever the outer shape of your nail arrangement is. Now we'll start with the second color, and this time the circle that will form at the center will be slightly larger. So that means that the gap between the starting and the end nails is to be smaller than for the previous color. So for the yellow, pale yellow color, we have the starting point of 1 and 80, and for this light orange color we'll have the starting point of 1 and 70, and for the next color it will be 1 and 60, and for the next it will be 1 and 50, 1 and 40, 1 and 30. So these were the starting points that I have utilized for the different colors. Obviously I'll not be showing the making of circle for all the colors because the process remains exactly the same, but every time I reduce the gap between the between the two starting points, the diameter of the circle that forms at the center increases proportionately. So for the first color the diameter is the smallest, and for the last color that I'll be utilizing, the darkest shade of red, the diameter is the largest. So that's how you create concentric circles, not exactly circle but parabolic circles, with the help of string art. So here we are after completing with the threads of all the different colors, and as you can see that it has come out really beautiful. Obviously this particular art or this particular design takes a lot of time, but the end results are worth it. It's not necessary you have to make 6 circles, you can make even more or even less depending upon how evenly you spread out the gap between the different circles. So that's completely up to you, but the end results are really worth it. So I hope that you guys found this video entertaining and useful. If you guys like the video, then please do not forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also to subscribe to my channel for regular videos on string arts and paper arts, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.